Hey guys, it's me, Sean, with Citation Gurus, and this week I wanted to show you guys how to use gzip in your website by adding the code to the htaccess file. This is the best way to do it because a lot of the plugins that say gzip, they will add extra files and will end up slowing down your website instead of speeding up your website. What the gzip code is going to do is it's going to minify everything on the site, deflate everything on the site by about 70%, making the site load a lot faster because the pages are going to be about 70% smaller. All the images will be deflated, the text will be deflated, the CSS of the theme will be deflated, XML, all the extra code will be deflated. All of this will be a lot smaller, even plugins. So in order to add this code, we need to go to our WP admin. This is only if you have the something like Yoast or WP all-in-one SEO, because you're going to need something that has edit files, which will bring up the robots text and the htaccess file. After this one, I will show you guys how to do it through the FTP as well if you don't have this. But then what you're going to do is you're going to come into here. I usually put it above the WordPress code, so I make a couple spaces. I go right up here. I paste it in. This is going to be my new code. I'll have this right below the blog for you guys to copy and paste. And then I'm just going to save changes. And then now that I've put that in, I'm telling it to deflate all of that extra code. So now that I've done that, as long as the server company has gzip enabled on the servers, this will deflate everything, make it 70% smaller, and make everything load a lot faster, by usually about 1.5 to 2 seconds faster. The other way to do it, if you don't have a plugin like this, or WP all-in-one, is to go to your FTP program. Mine is CyberDuck. This is one recommended by the company I use because it's SFTP, not a regular FTP, so it has extra security. Okay, and once your FTP has opened, then for me, I have to go to View. Not in QuickTime Player, and CyberDuck, go to View, Show Hidden Files, and then here's the htaccess file, which is the file I was accessing through Yoast SEO, but we can also do it this way. And then you just open it with a text editor, and then you would just go above the begin WordPress and you would just paste it right here above that. And this is another way to access the file. This will allow you to get directly to the htaccess file through your FTP. And then once you add that in and then you X off, it will resave, and it will resave that code into the website. And then you will notice once you do it that there is quite a difference in speed from no code to having the code, which I will show you guys right now. Do a test without it. So save. And some of these pages are pretty big because of everything in the pages. So you'll notice that they're loading a bit slow. Some load a bit clunky. And then when we go and we add in the code, and then we go back and we test again, everything is instant. There's pretty much no wait time. It's just bam, instantly loaded. Everything's gone from 1 MB to maybe a couple hundred kilobytes. So now our total page size for like everything I have here, instead of being 2 or 3 MB, would be maybe a couple hundred to 400 kilobytes. So it allows the browser to render it a lot faster, and it allows for faster accessing of the files. So everywhere I go, it's just everything is pretty much instant. Even videos will load faster. And if you're streaming like I do through YouTube, videos will play pretty much instantly after you add this code.